Hey guys, I just want to let you know the lovebirds ain't here no more, and I'm kind of sad that they had to leave, but I found out that the birds left them. But I just want to let you know I'm going to play practice baseball in summer at CLK, so if you want to come watch me, you can. I don't know if we're just doing practice and we're not going to do it like real baseball, just let you know. But we are going to do baseball practice. I think it's baseball practice. So I am logging into my grandma's computer right now, and you can watch the video I'm about to make. It's gonna be what I'm gonna be watching, and no, I don't think I want to do that because you guys can't hear the thing, and I'm not gonna probably make any more videos today, but I'm just letting you know I'm gonna do baseball practice, and the lovebirds left.